इस लेक्चर में हम एक्सरसाइज 1.1 के सारे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन से। एक्सप्रेस ईच नंबर एज ए प्रोडक्ट ऑफ इट्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स। हमें इसमें प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करना है इन नीचे दिए गए सारे नंबर्स का। सो सबसे पहला है 140। वी ऑल नो प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन हम लोग सबसे छोटे प्राइम नंबर से स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो 2 से स्टार्ट करूंगी। 70, 35, 5, then 7, 7, 1। सो 140 को मैं कैसे लिख सकती हूँ? 140 को मैं प्राइम फैक्टर के प्रोडक्ट के फॉर्म में लिखूँ तो मैं 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. These all are the product of its prime factors, right? Then part 2, it's 156. Starting with 2, it is 78, then 2 again, it will be 39, 3, 13, then 13, 1. So I can write, this is the answer, okay? So don't get confused. You have to write 140 in terms of its product of prime factors. Then 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 as product of its prime factors. So this is the answer. Part number 13, it's 3825. Checking it with 2, it is not divisible by 2 as it is an odd number. Moving with 3, yeah, this is divisible by 3 as the sum of these digits is divisible by 3. It can be 1, 2, 7, 5. Again, it is divisible by 3. How many times? 425 times. Then this is not divisible, again divisible by 3. Start with 5. So 85, 5. This is 5. Don't confuse it with 6. Right, guys? It is 17, 17, and then 1. So I can write 3825 as product of its prime factors, and its prime factors are 3 square multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 17. As 1 is also its prime factor, we will write 1 as well. Okay? This is the final answer. Moving to the next two parts, it's 5005 and 7429. Part 3, no, it's fourth part, right? 5005. It's obvious that it is not divisible by 2 as well as 3, but with 5 it's 1001 times. Then not divisible by 5, 2 or 3, it is 7. Yeah, 143 times. Now the next prime number is 11. Checking it with 11, yeah, it is divisible by 11. How many times? It is divisible by 11 13 times. And yeah, 13 is itself a prime number. So I can write 5005 as product of its prime factors, is 5 into 7 into 11 into 13 into 1 as well. So this is the final answer. Okay, moving to the next. Let's check the question. It's 7429. Not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5, not by 7. By checking it further, I can say that this is divisible by 17. Okay, for such kind of questions, you just have to check whether it is divisible by the prime number in an ascending way. Like first you have to check 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, then 13, then 17. then 13, then 17, then 19. You don't have to directly jump on 17 just to show that you know that this is divisible by 17. Just to ensure that, yeah, it is not divisible by 2 or 3 or 5 or any other prime number. Okay, this ensurety is a must do for your exams because there are silly mistakes we make. How many times this is divisible by 17? It is divisible by 17 437 times. And of course, we have already checked till 17 its divisibility. So it's easier that it is divisible by 19. Then 19, it is 23 times 19. And 23 being itself a prime number, we can directly divide it with 23. Yeah, this is the prime factorization of 7429. How many times? It is 17 multiplied by 19 multiplied by 23 multiplied by 1. Okay, so 7429 can be written as product of its prime factors, and its prime factors are 17, 19, 23 and 1.